At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an auto detailing business can be exciting and rewarding. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the auto detailing market in your area. Understand your potential competitors, target customers, and their needs. Identify your niche. Will you focus on luxury cars, mobile services, eco-friendly detailing, etc.? Develop a business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate an auto detailing business in your area. Purchase liability insurance to protect your business from potential lawsuits. 3. Location and equipment. Decide whether you'll operate from a fixed location or offer mobile detailing services. If operating from a fixed location, choose a convenient and visible location with adequate space for detailing work. Invest in quality detailing equipment and supplies such as pressure washers, steam cleaners, vacuum cleaners, polishing machines, eco-friendly cleaning products, etc. 4. Services offered. Define the services you'll offer. This may include interior detailing, exterior detailing, waxing, polishing, paint correction, ceramic coating, odor removal, etc. Consider offering packages to cater to different customer needs and budgets. 5. Marketing and branding. Create a memorable brand name and logo for your business. Develop a professional website showcasing your services, pricing, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with potential customers, and build a following. Network with local car dealerships, auto repair shops, and car rental agencies to establish partnerships and referrals. Offer promotions or discounts to attract new customers and encourage repeat business. 6. Customer experience. Provide excellent customer service to ensure customer satisfaction and positive reviews. Invest in training for yourself and your employees to ensure high-quality detailing work. Use customer feedback to continuously improve your services and processes. 7. Financial management. Set up a system for tracking expenses, revenue, and profits. Determine your pricing strategy based on factors such as the cost of materials, labor, and competition. Keep detailed records of your finances for tax purposes and to monitor the financial health of your business. 8. Expansion and growth. As your business grows, consider expanding your services, hiring additional staff, or opening additional locations. Stay updated on industry trends and innovations to remain competitive in the market. Starting an auto detailing business requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.